Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is Kareem Saunders, aka the T-Shirt Professor, coming at you with another video. Today is going to be pretty simple. You know what I mean? I just want to discuss situations where, you know, when you first starting off in a T-shirting thing, whether you're doing it for a business or a hobby, and nobody knows you yet. All right. So what are you going to do? Nobody knows you. You got a product that you want to get out there, or you got a service. In this case, you know, you got T-shirts that you want to put out there. Well, I'm going to tell you what happened. You know, I'm going to tell you what I did when I first got into, you know, doing vinyl. Nobody, you know, obviously nobody knew that I was doing vinyl. So what I had to do was, you know, I had to make this. This is actually the first vinyl shirt that I ever made. This one right here that says, you know, born to be king. And I just came up with the design like in one night or whatever, you know, within a few minutes. And next thing you know, I posted it, you know, on Facebook. You know, I pressed it, I cut it, I pressed it, I posted it on Facebook saying, hey, you know, this is what I did, you know, they're available or whatever. And then I ended up making one for girls or for women that has a crown that says queen. And I did that all in one night, and then I just put it out there as a Facebook, and you know, people just started hitting me up like, you know, that's a dope shirt. I like that. I like the color. I like I like the gold and all that kind of thing. So I mean, so then from there it just kind of shot off. But the moral of that is, you know, if you want to start, you know, you don't have to have like this elaborate, you know, scheme or whatever like that. You know, I mean, I just happened to, you know, get lucky. I came up with a design, and you know, I liked it. First of all, I liked it. You know what I'm saying? So it had to be something that I wanted to stand by or stand behind, that I believed in or whatever. You know what I mean? So, you know, like I said, I made it, put it out there, and it caught on. You know what I mean? And like I said, this is one of my first. This is the first vinyl shirt that I ever made, and so. But I say all that to say, you know, you don't have to have you know, it don't have to be elaborate. It could just be something simple that you like, and you just never know who was going to catch on with. And it just so happened, whenever I first, I want to say whenever I first made this one, it was around the time where, you know, where Black Panther came out. So it was all, you know, everybody was all into the whole, you know, Wakanda Forever, and, you know, hyped up off of the, you know, we black and we proud, and we, you know, we kings and queens and stuff like that and all that. So so I guess that came, you know, at the right time. So, but anyway, like I said, you got an idea and you want to get into the t-shirt business, and you kind of stuck, you're not sure what you want your first design to be. Let it be just something that you know, you sketch out, you think about it. You know what? I think that'll look good on the shirt. In fact, it's probably going to be something that you've been thinking about for the longest time, and which is probably what made you want to get into doing T-shirts, because you're like, man, I got this idea, and I want to see what it's going to look like on the shirt. And 9 times out of 10, that's going to be your first design. You know, for the most part, because that's what happened to me. That's going to be your first design, and if you stand by it, then other people may catch on to it, and they might feel it. They might, yo, that's dope. That's a dope shirt. So anyway, you know, that's it. I just want to kind of, you know, give that little tidbit or whatever. Like I said, this is not a in-depth video. This is just something I wanted to just kind of get out there. You know, you got the idea. It's probably already in your mind, already in your heart, your soul, your spirit, or whatever. You know, put it to paper. Design it, whatever you got to do. Let that be your first shirt. Let that be your first T-shirt, and then just kind of see how it takes off from there. But just, you know, just start somewhere. You know what I mean? Like, don't sit on your ideas. You know, birth it, give it life, and then you just never know how well it's going to catch on, man. How big it could turn out for you. All right. Well, this has been a short little video from the T-shirt Professor himself. You know, just, you know, if you liked it, just, you know, like, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button, comment, let me know what feedback you have, and what other kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. And like I said, I love to hear from you. I love to see you. Love to hear from you even sooner. Just hit me up, man. Holler. Happy t-shirt making, guys. Peace.